Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your automatic training fluid on an 0700 Accord. This has a 2.4 liter in it, and it's not the same sequence you would think in a regular automotive car with an automatic transmission. Honda has a certain amount of years that they do this funky system where you leave the car running, sit in the car, you put it in park, reverse, neutral, drive, then the other two gears if it's equipped, for 2 seconds in each gear, then back to park. Shut the car off. In under 30 seconds with the car off, you come out, pull the dipstick, wipe it. You'll see that it indicates you get 2 dots and it says hot. Then you reinsert the dipstick in the transmission tube. Now the car is off, not like normal automatics where it's running. And then you re-pull it out. And it should be right there at the full on the hot line. So you have to check it after it's been running for a while and it's hot. By a while, I mean at least 45 minutes, if longer. So a good car drive. Then put the car in park, in idle, go through all your gears, 2 seconds per gear. Then shut it off, come out, pull the dipstick, clean it, put it back in, and it should read full. And if you need to know the type of fluid to add to your transmission fluid, check your owner's manual. And like usual, you always fill the training fluid through the dipstick tube. So you'd pull that filter, pull the dipstick back out. You'd put a funnel in the tube fill and top your fluid off as required.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.